What's up, everybody? It's Nick with the Hauler. We're out here in Fallbrook this morning. Got a call yesterday for a hoarder house cleanup. So we're out here this morning. We're gonna do it. So here's a garage. Check this one out. Oh, it's full. And then there's a shed. So let's go look at the shed down here. Anything probably in the yard is going. Look at beautiful Fallbrook, dude. It's country. And the ocean is like right there. Ocean's about 20 minutes away from here. The beautiful Pacific Ocean. And today, the waves are bumping, man. But we're out here on this huge ass job. Whoa. So let's go check out the shed and see what we have going on. Gentlemen, look at the shed. Just a little shed. What the fuck? That thing's fucking a garage. We got all this. Oh my God, dude. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Look at this thing, bro.